Hey Rex, hope all is well on your end. Today we have here, babe cooked me up some jerk pork. So the pork is already pre-done. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it up. I don't know if you guys is catching that steam that coming off. It's steam. And this is extremely soft. Hey Rex, I hope you like the preview of the jerk pork. Make sure you like, comment, share. I'm gonna pause a second, look at this pork while you go and subscribe to this channel. Oh, you subscribe? Alright. Give this video a thumbs up for this jerk pork that Babe done made, and I'm pretty sure it tastes good. Now we're gonna dig in. I already said Grace off camera. Rice and broccoli. Yeah. So alright, we're gonna get into it. I'm so nervous. No, I'm not. I'm gonna use my hand. I have a spoon and a fork here, but I think my hand is better. So I'm gonna dip into the pork first. This pork tastes so good. Since I taste the pork, I'm not gonna do too much talking, but is there a meat that you guys try to stop eating, but it always gets the best of you? It's pork for me. This is good. Every year, I tell myself I'm gonna stop eating pork. Every year I tell Babe to stop making pork for me. Never works out. So on here, in the pork, there's some pepper onion, scallion, and I did put a little lemon to squeeze on it. Now, if I should, God forbid, die today, I think I will ask for pork. Give me jerk pork, jerk chicken, and just for the sea creatures, give me jerk lobster tail. Look at this, guys. The rice and broth is really good. And the lemon and the pork is so good. I'm biting small because when my mouth is full, I can't hear myself talk. So, I guarantee you guys can hear me talk either. So back to the pork, right? I don't know where to go next. I'm gonna get some skin. The skin is soft too. Guys, there's a little kick, a little spice to it. The pork is so good. I was trying to be a classy girl when I came on here. It didn't work. That's why I had the spoon and the fork. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you watch this video, give this video a thumbs up. Once you come on the video, give this video a thumbs up. It doesn't take nothing for you to give this video a thumbs up. If you're wondering where Babes is, as always, she's sitting next to me. Guys, this pork is so good. While I take another bite, I'm gonna remind you to thumbs up this video, and subscribe. Comment below if there's a meat you ever struggle. It's so good. The meat is so good. You can't stop thinking about it. You think about it in your sleep, on your job, the first thing when you wake up. If you're on the street walking sometime and come see a man and be like, oh my God, I wish I could eat that. And I also think they call the pork swine. You know, if you're gonna use that term, I reconsider to eat it. That's why I kind of reconsider to eat it, because the term swine, it sounds messy. It's so messy. Oh man. No doubt this pork was the truth. Everything blends so nicely. The jerk sauce, the seasoning. Oh. Alright guys, no, I know you didn't think I was going to eat all that pork. It was really good though. I'm going to have this for lunch and dinner. Make sure, remember, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Do you ever have a meat that you cannot stop eating? Comment below. That's the only way we interact with you. Comment below. Until we meet you again, until we see you again, have a good time, have a fun time, have a jolly time. Hey guys, put laughter in your life. It will light it up. Bye, Rags.